In today's video, I'll show you how to make a Discord account on your mobile. Let's get started. First, download the Discord app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and tap on Register. You'll see two options. You can either register with your phone number or email. I'll use my phone number here. Enter your phone number or email and then tap Next. Now, create a display name. This will be the name people see on Discord. After entering your name, tap Next. Then create a username and a password for your Discord account and tap Next again. Enter your date of birth by selecting your month, date, and year. Next, check the box that says, I have read and agreed to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy, and tap on Create an Account. Remember, if you're under 13 years old, you are not allowed to have a Discord account. Now, tap on Confirm to verify that you are human. You'll see an interface that says, Help your friends find you. You can choose to tap on Allow or Skip, which is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, you need to choose your profile picture. You can select a photo from your phone or use a default Discord avatar. Then tap Next. That's it. Your Discord account is now created. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and have a nice day.